Let me tell you about the story of Logicology so far. We started Logicology back in 2017, and during the first 3 years, what we did was have a lot of offline interactive workshops with kids aged 10 and above. Now, I don't really have a lot to show for these first 3 years, but trust me, these experiences helped us a lot in designing the products that we have today. So during one such workshops, a kid said, India has neighbors such as USA and Germany, and that left me wondering, has this kid ever seen a world map or a globe? To address this problem, we decided to have this gamified. So we designed an activity called the Map Challenge. So 2 kids would come forward, we would ask them to point out a country on the map, and the first one to do so would get a point. So this gamification really helped the kids get an interest in the field of geography. On similar lines, we noticed that kids really hated learning tables. So what did we do? Table challenge. And within a few weeks, the kids were pro at tables till 30. So one thing that we really learned here was gamification works for real. Later on, during the pandemic days, we tried a lot of these activities with our daughter. So she was barely 2 to 3 year old around that time. And even she could spot a lot of countries on the world map. She could get a bit of math questions and a lot of other such things. Now, some of my friends told me that, she's your daughter. She's inherited your love for puzzles, math, quizzing, whatsoever. So to figure that out, we tried out the same things on a lot of other kids as well. So we conducted a few summer workshops with 4 or 5 year old kids, and they also loved doing all these gamified activities as much. And that's what I believe was our turning point for Logicology. When these kids really loved solving puzzles which are otherwise taught to 10, 12 year old kids, we realized that a lot of these logical reasoning kind of skills can be taught to the children in a much younger age, provided they are gamified, provided they are brought down to a level where the toddlers can relate to. And that's when we decided that we needed to take this concept to a much wider audience. So that meant we had to pivot, we had to move into products business, we had to try out manufacturing, something we had never done before. We had only been into a content space earlier, and this was something completely alien to us. So it needed a lot of investment in terms of time and money and energy, but we thought, let's give it a chance. And here we are today with our first couple of products ready for launch and a lot more in the pipeline. If you are aligned with our vision of gamified learning, please do support us by buying our products, spreading our message, and sharing this video with someone who has a young child. Thank you.